Desai of Great 10B. A bird's view about the activities of the September month. Before that, the headlines. Teachers' Day celebration.
Students' educational performance, the monthly newspaper, Gnana Chaitanya.
6 to 8 offline classes from 13th September.
Investiture ceremony and August month campus news on 25th September.
National Hindi Day, 14th September.
Second periodic test, the last week of September.
Engineers Day, 15th September.
NIE activities such as newspaper, workshop and school super league meet.
Celebration of Gauri and Ganesha festival.
Funda Chance, Math and Science Quiz contest by BASE was organized.
World Ozone Day, 16th September.
Seminar on National Education Policy on 24th September.
Inter-school Kannada competition, Hongirana.
Pre-primary activities were held at school.
Now, let us get into the details of the activities held at school in the month of September. Renowned educationalist, great philosopher and statesman, and ideal teacher, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan's birthday is observed as Teachers' Day in our country. This day is observed to honor the bond between the children and their mentors, who influence their lives in several ways. Teachers' Day was celebrated at school on 5th September. Students of grade 9 and 10 organized some interesting activities for the teachers. Cultural programs was the main attraction of the day.
Students, educational monthly newspaper Gnana Chaitanya had published an article about the achievements of the budding child artist Harshita from grade 5 HRMPS. She has a number of colorful dreams to be achieved in life. She is also looking forward for opportunities. Let us wish Harshita a good luck.
Back to school from grade 6 to 8 followed traditional schooling system by attending offline classes with zeal and zest.
If your action inspires others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, you are the leader. An investiture means a formal investing of a person with authority, power, right, office, and dignity. It is rightly said, leaders are not born, they are made. Investiture ceremony for the academic year 2021-22 was held on 25th September. School student Captain Tanushri M from grade 10 along with other leaders took the oath and marched with pride and honor.
Can we have a huge round of applause for our school captain? Forward proud to now is school vice captain Ananya Karthik. She cherishes her interest towards dancing, singing and reading books. She has brought knowledge to the school by grabbing first position in inter-school skating competition and third position in school badminton competition. She aspires to be an engineer and serve the nation. She is true to Henley's word, I am the master of my fate and the captain of my soul. We wish her good life.
The occasion of Hindi Divas reminds us all that how beautiful the language of Hindi is and we must always respect it. National Hindi Day was celebrated at school on 14th September. Special activities were held during the assembly.
ऐसे लागे लगन मेरा हो गए मगन वो तो गली गली हरी गुन गाने लगी महलों में पली बन के जोगन चली महलों में पली बन के जोगन चली मेरा रानी दीवानी कहाने लगी ऐसे लागे लगन मेरा हो गई मगन.
Tests and examinations are the important tools of education. To evaluate the performance of the students, second periodic test in the last week of September was conducted both on offline as well as online.
Sir M. Vishweshwaraya was an eminent engineer and statesman. He played a key role in building of modern India. He was referred as the precursor of economic planning in India. He was known for his honesty and integrity. His birthday is celebrated as Engineers Day on 15th September all over India. We celebrated the day with great pride and honor.
Times Newspaper Education had conducted School Super Leagues tests for students from grade 1 to 10. Times is also providing newspaper to the students digitally on regular basis. Useful workshops were organized in which students of HRNPS had participated with good interest and enthusiasm.
Festivals are expressive way to celebrate glorious heritage, culture and traditions. They help us to teach principles and ethics to our next generations. Gauri and Ganesha festival was celebrated at school with great devotion and joy. Cultural programs was the main attraction of the day.
Deva Shri Ganesha, 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 Deva Shri Ganesha.
Bangalore Academy of Science and Education had organized Funda Champs Math and Science Quiz competition. We are indeed happy to say that our students had participated in the quiz with good interest.
An inter-school Kannada competition, Hongirana, was conducted by Diya Academy of Learning. The students of HRNPS had actively participated in various events. Aditi M from grade 3 won first prize in storytelling competition. Amok P. Kaushik of grade 9 and Deeksha S from grade 10 had won the third prize for their excellent act in a short film, Asare of Hill Rock Creations. We proudly congratulate the winners.
ಹಲೋ ಕೊನೆ ಬರೆಯಾರ ನನ್ನ ಮಗನ ಮುಖ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅವ್ನು ಬಂದಾಗ ನಾನು ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಪತ್ರನ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಶಾಂತನವ್ರೆ. ನಾನು ಕೂಡಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಹಣ, ನನ್ನ ಮೈ ಮೇಲಿನ ಬಂಗಾರ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನೂ ನೀನೇ ಬಳಸಿಕೊ. ನಿನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಾದರೂ ನಿನ್ನ ಇಳಿ ವಯಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ.
A seminar on National Education Policy was organized on 24th September. As chief guest, Dr. Gururaj Karjagi, a well-known academician and the chairman and the director of Academy of Creative Teaching, Bangalore. Dr. C.N. Ashwath Narayan, current Minister of Higher Education, Dr. B.C. Nagesh, Minister for Primary and Secondary Education, Karnataka, were present. The program was held at Chaudaya Memorial Hall, Malleshwaram, Bangalore. Our director, Mr. Balasubramanya, and Principal Mrs. Veda attended the seminar.
HRNPS always aims higher. It always aims to the overall development of the students. Here ends the report of September month's activities. We'll join you again with the details of the October month's activities shortly.
Optimism is a happiness magnet. If you stay positive, good things and good people will be drawn to you. The groundwork of all happiness is good health and good sense are life's greatest blessings. Stay safe.
Stay healthy.
Thank you.